Imagine a machine that has the performance of a tank and a drone. Meet the x-tankcopter, the world's first flying tank. On the ground, goes through narrow gaps, drive in rough terrain, drift and more.
Hi, my name is Vitek and this is the x-tankcopter. After 2 years of development, I can finally say the drone is ready to bring you a lot of fun. My background is in product design and robotics. Since the drones being only able to fly, my ultimate goal was to design the drone that can operate in different environments.
In the air, the drone is an agile flyer. The onboard camera will capture your mission in HD quality. Take full control of the drone with the included smartphone app. Immerse yourself in the experience with the included high-quality VR goggles. The drone features Caterpillar tracks, 3.6-inch propellers, HD camera, micro SD card, front and back lights, can fit various battery sizes, pivoting crash-resistant arms. It also comes with a 2.4 GHz remote controller. Don't worry, we've got your back here. The drone's arms are designed to survive the worst crashes. The x-tankcopter is production ready, but we need your help in order to meet the factory minimum order quantity and make it available to everyone at affordable price.
Thank you for your time and support.
This is the Gladius Mini Underwater Drone, your window to the underwater world. It can dive down to an amazing 100 meters deep and propel faster than 2 meters per second. It can rise and dive vertically just like a real submarine and can inspect objects at an adjustable 45-degree angle. With 2 hours of battery life, you can relax and not feel rushed. And because the Gladius has 5 stabilizing propellers, you can record extremely smooth video even on preset angles and depths. You can view crystal clear sea life through its 4K camera. You can explore the deep ocean and reach where you never reached before. It can be easily controlled through your smartphone, and with our intuitive remote steering control, you can use VR goggles for a more immersive experience. You can share up to 3 devices using Wi-Fi, as well as connect to a big screen TV via HDMI. You can even live stream on YouTube and share instantly to Facebook so that all your friends and fans can join in the fun. The Gladius Mini is small, portable, and great for families, photographers, content creators, and adventure geeks. An underwater world awaits you. Where would you take your Gladius?
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone 3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Introducing the Power Dolphin. PowerVision's forward-thinking design team have created a one-of-a-kind streamlined appearance. Power Dolphin has improved the fish finder system. Comes with a newly designed fishing bait container that can accurately release bait. With Power Dolphin, you have a new way to fish by dragging your line behind you instead of your traditional fishing rod, allowing you to tow back catches from the safety of the shoreline or your own boat. It has a 132-degree wide-angle lens, equipped with a headlamp and 4 levels of brightness. You can preview and record fishing via the front camera. Power Dolphin is not only useful for fishing, but also in marine search and rescue. It has 3 different speed levels. Life jackets and other life-saving devices to be delivered safely and released via the remote control function. It can be operated with the included controller for your very own smartphone. Both of these formats have one-touch return to home built in. Power Dolphin's smart sonar system can be used to generate a topographic map of the most complex underwater environments, including the ocean floor. It comes with an interchangeable battery and a micro SD card. It has a running time of approximately 2 hours. Power Dolphin can reach speeds of up to 16 feet per second. It is equipped with a unique dual-joint rotating camera, allowing users to see above and below the water surface, with a 215-degree wide viewing angle. The 12-megapixel camera shoots at 4K 30 frames per second, with real-time streaming at 1080p HD. So you can better see what's above and below you. Whether you're fishing, surfing, exploring, or rescuing, Power Dolphin is another leap forward in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.
The ultimate mind-reading drone that allows you to fly a drone with the power of your mind. U-Drone integrates leading cognitive technologies into an intelligent headset that reads your brainwave, tracks slight facial movements, and converts these signals into commands. At the size of your palm, the 85 grams U-Drone is extremely compact, lightweight, and portable. To take off, all you need to do is concentrate and imagine the drone lifting off. You can even adjust the altitude by imagining, adjust the flying direction by tilting your head, and land the drone by biting your teeth. Capturing a photo with U-Drone can be done with 2 blinks with your eyes, or a peace sign with your hand. All U-Drone images are consistently sharp and vivid. The HD camera shoots stabilized videos at 1080p and stunning still images at 8 megapixels. Tracking a certain subject on the move or from different angles? Our subject tracking technology can automatically identify and continually follow a moving person. If you wish to reach further, flying with your mobile device as the remote control is an alternative option. You can view real-time camera feed on the U-Drone app and sync photos and videos onto your device instantly. Whether you are indoor or outdoor, U-Drone will be a perfect add-on to your magical moments. The powerful camera system automatically adjusts camera focus, exposure, and position to ensure your face is ideally displayed in the frame. All you need to do is act natural. Whenever inspiration strikes across your mind, U-Drone will lead you into an adventure within and beyond your imagination.